Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome everybody to the online class led by our school, Model Academy. Here I am, Mujahidul Islam Reza, Senior Teacher in English, Model Academy. Dear students, how are you all? I am well. Hope you are also well and learning your lessons, staying at home as coronavirus pandemic is still in acute position worldwide and a remarkable number of people is affected and dies every day. I welcome you here to learning the tenses details from the second class on the tense today. As in the previous class, I taught you the tense and its classification and simple present tense. So I'll start from present continuous tense today. So let's start. Present continuous tense. Actions continue, go on at present is also known as running present. You see the structure: subject plus be verb, am, is, are, anyone you have to use in each sentence as per, person, number, etc. Then plus present form of PV. PV is principal verb. Principal verb is a class of the verbs. Then plus ing plus object or extension. This is some examples. He or she is reading a book. You are writing. There are also more examples. You must memorize the structure, follow the examples to write your own sentences. Present perfect tense. Actions done completely at present but have not been passed yet. You see the structures: subject plus have, has, plus past participle form of PV plus object or extension. Principal verb is also known as main verb. Main verb has generally three forms: present form, past form and past participle form. In each perfect tense, you must use past participle form. You see the examples. He or she has just read a book. You have written. Here are also more examples. You must follow to write your own examples. Present perfect continuous tense. Actions started at past and are continuing at present. You can see structure: subject plus have or has been plus present form of PV plus ing plus object or extension. Here you have to use for or since before time, adverb of time. Here is a note for you of using since and for. Since is used before certain time and for is used before uncertain time. You see the examples. These are very easy. Following the examples, you must write your own examples in an exercise book. When school will open, we will check your HW. Remember it. Past indefinite or simple past tense. Action simply happened at past. This is a structure: subject plus past form of PV plus object or extension. Sometimes it is like present perfect tense. It means sometimes simple past gives the meaning of present perfect tense. These are the examples. He or she read a book. You wrote. There are more examples. you must follow to write your own examples. Every case you must memorize structure of each tense. Past continuous tense. Actions are continuing or running at past. Is the structure subject plus be verb was or were plus present form of PV plus ing plus object or extension. Is the examples. These examples are also very easy. Following this, you must write your own examples. Past perfect tense. Structure you see, subject plus had plus past participle form of PV plus object or extension. Actions are done completely at past. Here is an explanation for you. The explanation is for using of this tense, where this tense will be used. You see the examples. He or she had read a book before you came. Before is conjunction. After before it is past perfect tense, and after before it is simple past. There are also more examples. You should follow to write your own examples. Past perfect continuous tense. Structure subject plus had been plus past participle form of PV plus ing plus object or extension. Actions are done completely and continuing at past. Here is also an explanation of using this tense. Is the examples. He or she had been reading a book for an hour before you came. Before is conjunction. Before this conjunction it is past perfect continuous tense, and after this conjunction it is simple past. There are also more examples. You should follow, memorizing the structure to write your own examples. Future indefinite or simple future is very easy. You see the structure subject plus shall or will, present form of PV plus object or extension. There is a note for you of using shall and will. The examples are very easy. Following the examples, you must write your own examples. Future continuous tense, it is also easy. Actions continuing will continue at future. It is also known as running future. Structure subject plus shall or will be plus present form of PV plus ing plus object or extension. You see the examples. He or she will be reading a book. You will be writing. They will be working in the field. I shall be going there, etc. Following the examples, memorizing the structure, you must write more examples of your own. Future perfect tense. Actions happen or will happen completely at future. Here is an explanation of using this tense. You see the structure subject plus shall or will have plus past participle form of PV plus object or extension. See example. He or she will have read a book before the sun will rise or the sun rises. Before is here conjunction. Before it, he or she will have read a book. It is future perfect tense, and after this conjunction before, the sun will rise or the sun rises. Here both are correct. You may use simple future or simple present after this conjunction before. Another example. You will have reached home by now. It is single sentence. There is no conjunction or other part of this sentence, other clause of this sentence. single sentence, it's future perfect tense. Follow the examples to write more examples of your own. Future perfect continuous tense. Actions happen, will happen completely, and will be continuing at future. Here is also an explanation of using this tense. This is the structure: subject plus shall or will have been plus present form of principal verb plus ing plus object or extension. You see the examples. He or she will have been reading a book for 2 hours before the sun will rise, or the sun will rises. Before is here conjunction. Before it is future perfect continuous tense, and after it is simple future or simple present. Both are correct. Anyone you may write. You should follow the examples and follow the structures of all sentences, of all tenses. Following the structures and examples, I think you will learn the tense. To learn tense detail, there is no alternative way to memorize the structures and follow the examples. If you want to develop your English, you must control the tense. Tense is a significant grammatical term. Without understanding, without controlling, none can do well in English. I hope you will try, you will follow the class, you will be attentive to learn, you will be eager to learn. A HW for you, and a note. I have suggested to share this class in your timeline for future need. Allah Hafiz, bye.